Oh my God. Sorry, Tom, Lisa. It's okay. Okay, let's finish this, students. What happened to Ken? Okay, Ken. Okay, Lisa. There are several Lisa, Tom, Ken. Lisa, Tom, Ken, me, Lisa, Tom, and Ken. Okay, Tom, there are several old paintings on rock. Okay, next, Tom.
Oh, oh,
Okay, the answer is who?
oh.
Okay, Ken, are skiing some of, oh, Ken, oh my God, Ken. Some of these cave paintings are more than 5,000 years old. Okay, Lisa. Number four, use, correct. Tom, off. And then, about 180 years ago, on a small farm in the mountains, Sondre Norheim's father used wood from the forest and make his young son a pair of skis. Sandre loved putting on his skis, jumping off the roofs in his village. Down the hills when he grew up, Sondre made some skis that could turn soft snow and won many important skiing competitions. Okay, Lisa, call. Okay, call. People still call Sondre the father of skiing. Now, both skiing and snowboarding are really popular sports. Families can stay in wonderful mountain villages where ski lifts take them. Okay, Ken, on the top of the mountain so they can ski or snowboard back down again. Okay, ask and answer questions. Ken, have you ever been on a skiing holiday?
No.
No. Okay, Tom, have you ever skied, snowboarded, or skateboarded to school?
No, I haven't.
Oh. Okay, Lisa, what's the best way to travel if you live in mountains in the winter?
No.
Okay, what's the best way? It means you can skiing in the mountains. Yes. Or snowboarding. Okay? Now look at the picture, students, and write about this story. Look at these pictures. They show a story. You're going to write a story. Remember, it's good to give people names. Write one or two sentences about each picture. Write about what happened, and you can write how the people felt and about what they said, though. Okay, so I will make a sentence first. One day, okay, Dad and Tom want to go skiing in a mountain. But the problem, it's too snowy. But Tom find it much better to go skiing outside. So they decided to go outside and go skiing together. Okay, the end. Okay, Tom? Okay, your turn, Tom.
mountain. And the family has the car. Today is snowy, and that is Timmy looking looking for a basket
Mm-hmm.
and looking for the basket
Mm-hmm.
and looking for the basket and mm, that and the boy is go skiing and don't see the basket. The dad is worried.
Mm-hmm.
Dad and the boy is worried and boy is see the basket outside the house and that and the boy is happy. Boy is go skates very fun. Finish.
Okay. Very good. Okay, Ken, make a story, Ken. One day, Ken. Ken, one day,
What?
make a story about the picture. One day, hello, Ken. Okay, how about Lisa? You can try, Lisa. One day, okay, you want to try, Lisa? Okay, Tom. Tom is getting crazy now. Okay, you don't want to try? You can do it. Okay, Lisa message. Okay. May I go? Okay, you can go out there. Okay, okay. So let's proceed. Let's talk about things we've all done. We all watched, we've all watched, okay, we all watched a movie in the cinema. Okay, Tom, we've all eaten.
We all eaten fish.
Oh, wow, fish. I like fish. Okay, next. Can none of us can can none of us has eaten spoiled food. Okay, we've all felt, we've all felt, Lisa. Okay, we've all felt happy, but none of us have felt, Tom, none of us has
But
felt,
no of us have left happy.
okay, we've all traveled to, Okay, Ken, we've all traveled to. We've all traveled to Vietnam. Next, Lisa. Lisa, but no one traveled to. Okay, Thailand. Okay, Tom, this year we all bought.
This year we all bought of flowers.
Wow, but no one has bought
No
expensive
one.
car. Okay, Ken, today we all learned about grammar. Okay, grammar. Okay, students, thank you so much and
Goodbye,
have a
teacher.
rest. We have class tomorrow, okay? Bye.
Yes, goodbye, teacher.
Bye. Good night. Bye. You